In this tutorial, we'll learn how to search in Loocey by multiple set-asides and exclude RFQs that have tech docs. Navigate to the DLA RFQs board. Select the filter option to refine your search. Create a new group by clicking Add Group. Then select Set Aside column. Now choose Women-Owned Small Business Set Aside option from the drop-down. Now add another filter to the group by repeating the same steps. This time select the Service Disabled Veteran-Owned Small Business filter. Change the grouping type to or so it shows both types. Add another global filter by clicking on Add Filter. Select Tech Docs option. Set value to false. This will exclude RFQs requiring tech docs. Apply the selected filters to your search. We can now see the filtered results. To save your search, click on Save as New button. Click on the Save as New button. Set a name to your new view. Click Save and it will save this filtered list as a new view.